What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be fixing a 49cc motorized scooter right here, and this repair will work on most 49cc engines because we need to put a recoil on it. And I have a link in the description to a recoil you can buy. Now it's not as simple as just grabbing it and putting it on because we got to change this part, but the new recoil does come with that piece right there. So we're going to change the basket and we're going to put a new recoil on this. We're going to get to it right now. That's a 13 millimeter. And hopefully we don't have to put a piston stop. We should just be able to impact it off if we have enough power. We're going to find out right now. Okay, here we go. Nope, we're able to unscrew it right off. Perfect.
Which way did it come off, Andrew?
It goes
No. Counterclockwise, clockwise.
counterclockwise. Off. It wasn't reverse thread or nothing.
Okay.
Yeah. So we got it off. Easy peasy. Now hopefully, I believe this new one does come with a bolt because, let me look, let's pull out the new one. Yeah, it does. Okay, it has a bolt welded on too. So now all we got to do is screw it on and then impact that down. Hopefully the machine doesn't try to start on us. Oh, that's a bigger size. So the new one's a 14. Okay, now that we got the 14 down, zip it down. Now we can take our new recoil out, put our little cover on. Take our new recoil, and we want to lift it up, under the plastic here. Hang on if I can get it in here. We're actually going to have to, let me just take a look. Let me measure it real quick and figure out which way I'm going to put it. Okay, so I took the cover off. Now we're going to put it on. And then we're going to put the cover on after that. So what we're going to do is we're going to slip our bolts in. These are just T25 Torx. We'll line it up. We'll just hand start them. Remember, we hand start everything. Yeah, I know we're gonna have to, I'm gonna have to edit the cover a little bit because this isn't it's a little bit oversized, but worst comes to worst, we'll figure it out. We'll get this thing running for sure today. Oh wait, hang on,
Do those screws hold that on?
No.
The gas tank support thing?
No, yeah, they're gonna hold this on. Right here, the gas tank support. We will put that back on. Totally forgot about that. Yeah, just some T25s. And this will work for any kind of 49cc. It's just a little bit bigger than normal. And the reason you need that metal piece that we put on, that like spacer, is because it's a shield. It's a dust shield. So now we'll make sure the engine turns over and it recoils in. Just testing it. Perfect. Recoil's working great. Now let's see if we can figure out the cover. Oh, okay, now that I got it locked down, I think we can unscrew these and see if we can get that to just drop in there. Now that we got the bottom two locked down. So there's one bolt out. With these two bolts, it should stay up, but at least we got it lined up now. So we'll undo the other bolt. Now we'll see if we get it. It's not wanting to line up the best. I think we could force it. As long as we got it all in there, right? That's all that matters. This is engineering at its finest. Okay, so what I did was I just took the grinder and shaved down these ears here. So now it fits on there pretty good. I'm going to put that bolt on. It'll clamp down. It should be clamped down and shouldn't be no issues to this at all. So let's put it all back together and then see if she starts up. Put some gas. It has some gas in there. This uses 25-to-1. Real lean. Okay, got it put all back together here. Now, let me make sure we're looking at it. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna prime her up.
You're looking at me like I'm high. Honest, I'm not.
No, yeah, I remember the foam one.
Yeah.
Drive it up a little. Perfect. Huh? Right. Hang on 1 second. Okay, now just the final thing. We're going to make sure this thing runs. We're going to take it for a drive. So buckle up, boys. I'm just going to put you down, actually.
The little insulated one?
Huh?
The little insulated one?
Yeah. I'll put that on in a second.
Okay, I'll grab it.
It should be right down there. Okay, got you guys strapped up. Let's go. Hell yeah. And there you have it, guys. That was a fun repair right there. Driving this thing around too. It even has more gears in the future, you know, as you're going wanting to go faster. It's pretty cool. So if you guys appreciate this video, Make sure you hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more repairs. And like I said, this should work for any kind of 49cc repair. Also, a few extra parts plus the recoil we use in this video in the description down below. Thank you guys so much. Have a good one. Bye.